We're almost there. In this last video, I'll be taking you through the process of disconnecting your utilities and the final walkthrough. First, you'll need to schedule the utilities to be disconnected after you close. This includes things like electric, gas, water, garbage, home phone, cable, and internet. The last day they should be in your name should be the day of closing. They still need to be in your name on the day of closing so that the buyer can test the utilities during the final walkthrough. The final walkthrough generally occurs on the morning of the closing, but may be the day before. Your realtor will be in touch to get this arranged. At this point, all of your possessions need to be out of the home, except for any items you and the buyer agreed would be left behind. The home needs to be in broom clean condition, which means no garbage, piles of crumbs, or dust bunnies left behind. The cleaner the home, the less likely it will be that the buyer will bring up last-minute issues. Don't assume they want all the extra paint you've amassed over the last 15 years. Don't leave extra flooring, tile, tools, or furniture. Nothing should be left that hasn't been confirmed as okay to leave. You'll want to clean drawers and under sinks thoroughly as well. It's best to have the lawn and landscaping as it was when the house was on the market, so there aren't any surprises for the buyer. Lastly, as you take one last look around and get ready to move on to your new home and new adventures, take a moment to write a note for the buyer. You certainly don't have to, but a few words welcoming them to their new home can go a long way. And that's it. I wish you all the best wherever you're going from here. And remember, we won't disappear just because your home sale is done. If you ever have real estate questions or concerns, or just want to tell us how you're doing, we're always just a phone call or an email away. We love staying in touch with our clients. Thank you for allowing me to come with you on this journey, and thank you for choosing Royal Family Real Estate.